This video is brought to you from one agency far north. 29 Mills Access Road in the historic seaside village of Totara North. This 1.6-acre property is elevated above green rolling hills and nestled amongst established lawns, native bush and gardens, with two-car garage and parking for multiple cars and boats. An olive grove on two sloping fields planted in 80 established trees is located on either side of the elegant palmed entranceway, which sets the tone for what lies beyond, a truly picturesque setting in one of the far north's most desired locations. This 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom immaculate home has the best of both worlds: stunning rural views across the hills to the west and harbour views out to the east. Decks on both sides capture the views. You will wake to the sounds of native bird life and listen to the call of the morepork at night. 2 double bedrooms open onto adjoining decks. All 3 bedrooms have built-in robes. Open-plan kitchen, dining and lounge provides the very best in inside-outside living. The residence has new carpets and is freshly painted, all ready for its new owner. This home is one of Totara North's treasures. Buildings are fully consented and a current limb available upon request. The property is only minutes to the Totara North boat ramp and jetty, one of the far north's desired fishing spots on Whangaroa Harbour. Just 9 minutes to Whangaroa Golf Club, 20 minutes to Manganui and 30 minutes to Kereru in the Bay of Islands. To view, contact me, Leonie, one agency far north.